If you are visiting Munich in Germany, you have to try the roast pork belly, or in German, Schweinbraten. I use an Asian technique to make the skin super crispy, like popcorn, and the meat is really juicy. There is a beer barbecue sauce in this recipe. You have to try it. Let's go.
Take a pork belly with fat and meat evenly distributed. Pat it dry and score the skin with a sharp knife to help the portioning later on. Flip it and season it with salt and dark sugar in a ratio 1:1. 50 grams of each will do. And rub the meat with it, avoiding the skin. Place the meat skin up on a tray and rub the skin with salt. Then let it rest in the fridge uncovered between 12 and 24 hours. This will help drying out the skin and reduce the moisture in it. The next day remove the meat from the tray, pat it dry and place on a clean tray. Bake it at 120 degrees Celsius for 3 to 4 hours. For the sauce, sweeten some leeks with some butter. You can use shallot or white onions instead. It's up to you. Add dark sugar and a mix of spices. The full list is in the description box below. Roast them, add some apple vinegar, honey, and a good beer.
Prost!
Add a bit of tomato paste and a cube of demi-glace. I generally freeze both of them for convenience. If you want to learn how to do the demi-glace, click the link in the corner. Reduce it, add Dijon mustard, hot sauce or chili, and the Worcester sauce. Pour all in a blender and mix until creamy. Strain it with a fan sieve and voila, your beer barbecue sauce is ready. Let's see what is going on with our pork belly. Once the internal temperature reaches between 85 and 90 degrees Celsius, it's ready to be taken out. I know it looks already nice, but we are not done yet. Pat the skin dry with a kitchen paper. Place it in cold oil on a fry pan and fry it on medium heat until the skin pops and becomes super crispy. The oil must cover just the skin. We don't want to fry the meat and lose juices. Cut along the score in the skin and serve with the sauce. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video. Ciao!